water. And I have taken the concept soluble and insoluble in water. My competencies are observation, identification, discovering facts, learning. Now, learning objectives, properties of water, understanding the process of making things with water, importance of water, to understand the new term soluble and insoluble in water. Now, I will start my lesson with a glass of water. I will keep this glass of water in front of the students and I will tell them, just observe it, what is in this glass. Most of the answers will be obviously water, I think, because everybody knows that there is water in this glass. Now, my second question will be, where do you use this water? Why do you use this water? What are the uses of water? My second question will be, what are the uses of water in our daily life, daily routine? Now, next, I will show them. They will answer. Some may give washing, bathing, cooking. So here I will show them a slide which shows some activities they are doing. Just tell the students, all the students, observe this picture for 5 minutes and tell me what they are doing. Some of the students, they will observe this picture for some time and they will give answers. And my stress will be here on the 4th picture. That is what they are doing. Tell me. I tell you to give me answer. What they are doing? They are drinking tea. So here we have also used water for making tea. Here, my lesson, I will give them the name of the lesson. The lesson is experiment with water. And before doing some experiments with water, first of all, I have taken the concept solubles and insolubles because this term is very new for them. They have learned in 4th class what did dissolve and what did not. So here we can link, this is new term for them, scientific term soluble and insoluble. So because before proceeding for experiments, first of all, I will give them concepts of solubles and insolubles. So this concept will be given that capable of being dissolved in a liquid, any kind of liquid, especially in water. And next, insoluble, incapable of being dissolved in a liquid and especially water. So, liquid can be in any form, but especially in water, what dissolved in water, what is soluble in water, and what is insoluble in water. So, here they get the concept that what we are going to do today. Now, I will show them a video clip. Video clip for making tea. So for making tea, they may be, first of all, I will show them full clip and I will tell them observe that video clip. What is process going on there? What are the ingredients used there? What they are doing? Tell him questions. It's a question answer method here. Tell them to answer the following questions. What they are doing. You can, after this showing them video, you can also do this practice in the class, because today everything is available in the market. You can get a small rod and show them experiment that, or they will do, some students will come in front in the stage and they will prepare a glass of tea. You will show them, what is this? You have observed in that picture. You have observed in that picture. So what is this? They will answer. Some of the students will be able to answer, some may not. So they can also come in front of the dice and recognize it, identify it. So here comes the identification. Identify the ingredients. You can see in this video clip, there they have used cardamom, ginger. You can also show them. This is cardamom, this is ginger. They have used in that clip. So they can get the pure perception of the thing, what they have used in that. And after that you can put the question, what remains in the pot after you pour water in it, what remains? This tea. So completing this session, we will start now. We will go for group activity in the class, so that every child will be involved in the class in this activity. Solubles and insolubles. Make 4 or 5 groups. Give them all the ingredients, that is sugar. You can give them solubles and insoluble items, that is dal. This is soil, and you can also use water to show them. They will do this experiment with themselves. This is soil and this is sugar. We can also use the sugar cubes because it will mix with water. Immediately stir it for some time. It's cold water, so it will take time. So give them all the concepts, roam within the group, in the class, find out where the child is not able to do it. Give all the ingredients. This is milk. You can also show them milk. It dissolves in water. When we will use water, it will dissolve in it. And they will also observe it, that the color of the water has been changed. Now it's not the color which is shown here. This is now, it's a milky color. This is soil. It is soluble, but it is not, it is insoluble. They will observe it. And you see, it is partially, the color has changed slightly, but the soil is on the bottom of the glass. So it is insoluble. This is, you can show them haldi, turmeric. Give them all the items. And tell them previously, get some of the items from your home, so that they will also involve their parents in this activity and they will do good. So after they are doing this activity group wise, we will give them all these, after these answers, question answer method. Which substance does not dissolve in water? There will be question answer method. This is tea leaves. Again, then it's a group activity. So when you show them all these things in front of them, and now the slides will also work side by side. पूरे full screen पे लाइए और उनको पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट इस चीज से मिलेगा कि अच्छा इसको वो उसके साथ आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे कि व्हाट इज दैट सब्सटेंस। अगेन नाउ आफ्टर दैट completing this project, completing this group activity, you can give them this worksheet. It is worksheet related with this all activity, that which thing dissolved, which thing did not dissolve, and whether the color has changed or not. So जब ये सब observe करने के बाद, when they observe it, they will write down their readings. Give all these sheets to all the students and tell them to write their observations. They will write observations, what they have observed, discuss them in the class again, and lastly put some 2-3 questions to them. That is, name 2 factors that help sugar dissolve faster in water. Here we have also given them slight concept of stirring. So judge them whether they have got it or not. Next question. All oceans and sea have salty water. True or false? Again there is sea and ocean difference. Next, what is the rank of India in producing and consuming tea in the world? So it will be linked with their GK. So what is? It is second largest in the world in producing and consuming in tea in the world. So here I will conclude my lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good.